If you've ever opened YouTube Studio and felt like you were staring at a wall of numbers with no clear idea of what to do next, you're not alone. So many creators know how to read analytics, but don't know how to actually use them to their advantage. And that's exactly where TubeLab comes in. So in today's video, we're going to be reviewing TubeLab to see if it really deserves its reputation as one of the best YouTube analytic tools for creators these days. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and I'm going to break down what TubeLab does, how it helps you grow smarter, and whether it's actually worth adding to your workflow as a creator. Let's get into it. So first off, let's start with the basics. What is TubeLab? TubeLab is a YouTube analytics and research platform built specifically for creators who want to make data-driven content decisions. Think of it as a more focused and simplified version of YouTube Studio, one that strips out the clutter and shows you only the metrics that actually matter for growth. Instead of bouncing between multiple tabs in YouTube Studio, Google Analytics, and competitor tools, TubeLab actually organizes your data into a clean interface that highlights what's performing best, where your audience is coming from, and what content patterns are worth repeating. The goal is simple: help creators stop guessing and start building strategies based on real-world data. Rather than spending hours trying to piece together why one video did better than another, TubeLab shows you why and gives you clear, actionable insights you can apply immediately. Now, let's go ahead and dive into some of the main key features. Number one is the Smart Analytics. So TubeLab's biggest selling point is its Smart Analytics dashboard. This section pulls all of your key data, views, watch time, retention, and subscriber growth into one place. You can instantly see what's driving your channel forward. What makes this feature stand out is how visual it is. Instead of endless spreadsheets or buried tabs, you can see charts and heat maps that show exactly where viewers are dropping off and which videos are turning casual watchers into actual subscribers. For content creators who post consistently, this is invaluable. You can look at your top performing videos, notice patterns in titles or thumbnails, and refine your next upload around what's actually working. Number two is content research. So the second major feature is TubeLab's content research engine, and this is where things start to get really interesting. This tool lets you type in any topic or keyword and instantly see what videos are trending in your niche right now. You can filter by category, view counts, or engagement rates to identify which topics have real momentum. The benefit is that you can plan videos around proven audience interests instead of relying on intuition. Say you're a productivity creator and you notice Notion dashboard setup is spiking in performance across channels. You can see which thumbnail styles, video links, and keywords are performing well and then tailor your version around that. It's not copying, it's just learning from data. This saves creators countless hours brainstorming content ideas that might flop. It gives you that validation before you even hit record. Number three is audience insights. One of TubeLab's most underrated feature is audience insights, which goes deeper than YouTube Studio's basic demographics. This section shows behavioral data. So how new viewers find your videos, what percentage convert into subscribers, and which videos are actually driving those conversions. The insight here is very powerful. Not all views are equal. You might have one video that gets fewer views overall but converts 10x more subscribers. TubeLab highlights that kind of performance so you can prioritize quality over vanity metrics. It also helps you segment your content strategy. Maybe tutorials bring new followers while personal vlogs build loyalty. Once you see that pattern, you can play content accordingly, which is something that's hard to do just using YouTube Studio. Number four is competitor tracking. So TubeLab's competitor tracking feature is one of the most useful tools for creators trying to position themselves strategically. You can enter channels similar to yours and instantly see their top performing videos, posting frequency, and engagement trends. This isn't about copying anymore, it's about context. For instance, if you notice a competitor's view spike whenever they post deep dive tutorials, for example, if you notice a competitor's views spike whenever they post deep dive tutorials, that gives you a hint about what your shared audience values. You can use that to refine your own approach or fill gaps they're missing. This feature is also helpful if you collaborate with other creators. You can compare audience overlaps and see if a partnerships make sense before reaching out. Number five is performance breakdowns. So the final major feature is performance breakdowns, which lets you compare different elements like titles, thumbnails, posting times, and video formats to see what's really influencing results. It's like running A/B tests on your entire content library. You can analyze patterns such as, do videos with numbers in the titles perform better? Does uploading on Mondays versus Fridays change engagement? Are short intros improving retention? These micro insights are what separate creators who grow steadily from those who plateau. TubeLab essentially helps you treat your YouTube channel like a small data-driven business rather than a creative guessing game. Now, Now, let's talk about what makes TubeLab stand out, because there are plenty of YouTube analytics tool out there like vidIQ, TubeBuddy, Morning Fame, but TubeLab carves out its niche by combining simplicity with depth. vidIQ and TubeBuddy focus more on keyword research and SEO, while TubeLab focuses on performance optimization after you've published. It's also very clean and modern. There's no clutter or endless Chrome extensions running in your browser. You just log in, see your dashboard, and everything you need is right there. Now, here's where TubeLab becomes practical. If you upload weekly videos, you can use TubeLab to track your top 5 performing uploads and reverse engineer what they have in common: topic, pacing, thumbnails, or even time of upload. If you're in growth mode, the content research tool can help you plan your next batch of uploads based on current audience demand, not just guesswork. If you're a business owner or coach using YouTube for lead generation, the Audience Insights feature helps you see what videos attract the right kind of viewer: those who actually subscribe, click links, or join your email list. And if you manage multiple channels, TubeLab's multi-channel overview gives you an at-a-glance look at which one is gaining traction, letting you prioritize your energy effectively. Now let's talk about user experience. So TubeLab is web-based, so there's nothing to install. The setup is super straightforward. Sign up, connect your YouTube channel, and you're ready to go. One thing users appreciate is how quickly the platform loads compared to heavier tools. You don't feel bogged down waiting for reports to generate. Everything is designed to help you find answers fast and get back to creating. Now, let's go ahead and talk about the pros and cons so you can decide if this tool is a good fit for you. So starting off with the pros, it saves time. You no longer need to open 5 tabs to analyze performance. Everything is centralized and visually clear. Next is actionable data. Instead of showing vanity metrics, TubeLab highlights what drives results, like retention, conversion, and engagement. Competitor awareness is another pro. You can understand your niche landscape without manually checking every channel. Then we've got idea validation, so you can confirm that your video ideas have demand before spending hours filming. And lastly, clean design. It's minimal and easy to navigate, which is perfect for creators who want clarity, not complexity. Now for the cons. So there is no direct SEO tool. So if you rely heavily on keyword optimization, you'll still need vidIQ or TubeBuddy for that side of things. And it's not a magic bullet. It doesn't grow your channel for you. It just gives you data, but you still have to act on it. Another con is it could be overwhelming for beginners. If you're brand new and don't upload consistently, you might not have enough data yet for TubeLab to be useful. And lastly, cross-checking is required. It's still smart to verify numbers occasionally inside YouTube Studio, since that's the original data source. Okay, so now that you understand exactly what it is, how it works, let's go ahead and talk about the pricing and plan options. So if you want to get started, we do have a link down in the description below. I'm gonna go ahead and go to pricing. So they have monthly and yearly plans, but I'm gonna go over the yearly plan because that's how you can get the best price possible. So they've got the Pro plan, which is $14.90 per month paid annually. So that's saving you $169. This is really for solo creators who publish weekly. So you get the niche finder, outliers finder, title formulas, rank tracker, API access, and you can cancel anytime. Then we've got the team plan, which is $80 a month paid annually. With this, you get everything in the Pro plan, but you get a team with up to 10 members, and you can cancel anytime as well. So if you want to go ahead and check them out, again, we do have that link down in the description below. Before we wrap up, I just wanted to touch on some bonus tips for using TubeLab effectively. First off, start small. Focus on 1 or 2 metrics that directly impact growth, like click-through rate and retention. Once you understand those, you can expand into deeper analytics. Next is to review weekly, not daily. YouTube performance fluctuates, so instead of obsessing over day-to-day changes, use TubeLab weekly to identify stable patterns and make adjustments accordingly. Next is to match your content to your audience behavior. If your audience shows that tutorials bring new viewers while lifestyle videos build community, design your schedule around that. Next is to learn from your competitors strategically. Don't copy, analyze. Notice their pacing, structure, or storytelling and adapt it in your voice. Use insight to plan your next batch. Before filming, glance at TubeLab's trending topics and audience retention graphs. It'll help you refine your hook into length and title direction before you even start editing. So, should you use TubeLab? The honest answer here is, if you're serious about growing your YouTube channel and want a smarter way to analyze your performance, TubeLab is definitely worth it. If you're still early in your YouTube journey, you can wait until you've uploaded at least 15 to 20 videos, so TubeLab has enough data to pull meaningful insights. But once you reach that point, it becomes a genuine growth accelerator. In other words, TubeLab won't make you go viral, difficult, but it will make you smarter, and that's what leads to sustainable growth over time. Building a YouTube channel is half creativity and half data, and most creators only focus on the first half. But TubeLab bridges that gap by giving you clarity and not confusion. If you want to explore it for yourself, we do have that link down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free reviews just like this. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you aren't already. And of course, leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping creators and entrepreneurs find tools that make content creation easier, faster, and smarter. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.